At Archify, we know it can be hard to stay on top of all the technical information specification requires. Take your projects to the next level by receiving expert product guidance from our vast network of suppliers quickly and conveniently. You can send a message to a supplier in two ways: by clicking the message button at the top of a profile or utilizing the message feature on the left-hand side of the page. You can choose one of our preset options to receive further information as well as write a personalized message. Once you click Send Message, the supplier will be notified of your message via email and within their Archify login. Whenever you are on a particular product page and choose to send a message, the supplier will be notified that it is in regard to the product you are looking at. You will be able to receive fast advice through the Archify instant messaging system, where you can send and receive messages with attachments and store all your communications in our Archify inbox. Navigate to your Archify inbox by clicking on the message icon in the top right-hand corner. Once you click into your inbox, you will be able to manage all of your messages received and keep track of the requests you have made throughout your Archify experience.